Hi, in this video I'm going to be giving you my review of Aweber. Aweber is an email marketing software that you can use for your email marketing. I'll also be showing you step by step how you can create an email marketing campaign and a sequence. If at any point throughout this video you find any value, please go ahead, like and share and subscribe this video. It will mean a lot to me. So let's just go ahead and get started and I'll walk you through the whole process. So once you've registered for Aweber, you're going to be brought to a dashboard that looks like this. I've just created this like a dummy account for the purpose of this video. But first I'll go through the payment plan options. So we can go over to the left here, and we can have a look at that. So Aweber has got two plans available. There's a pro plan and a free plan. So the free plan, you've got a subscriber limit of up to 500 subscribers, and you can send up to 3,000 emails a month. And you can list one profile on that. Whereas in the Pro, you've got obviously unlimited use of the subscriber limit, emails per month, and list profiles. And there's obviously Aweber e-commerce fees, which are considerably lower. You've also got these other benefits of the Pro plan, and obviously you don't have them on the free plan. So how much is it? The monthly for the Pro is $19.99 a month, which is very good. If you want to pay quarterly, it's $49 every 3 months. You're saving 8.3% there, and annually it's 193.80 for the whole year, and you 12-month save is 19.2. So you can go with either of these plans. When I started, I actually went with the Pro plan for my business. But yeah, so those are the two plans that are available to you. So let's go back to the dashboard and see what we need to do. So once you've created your account, the first thing that you need to do is go to the bottom left over here and click on this tab here. You're going to open that and you're going to go to My Account. Now, before you obviously create a Aweber account, it's very important that you have your domain and business email address set up and created. You can do that from Namecheap. I'll add the video in at the bottom in the description box on how you can do that. There's a step-by-step tutorial. But the business email address that you have, that is the one that I would recommend that you sign up to Aweber with. So for example, my business email is jess@successwithjasleen.com, and that is a business email address that I use to create my Aweber account. So those two things are the first things that you need to do. So your domain and your business email address. So once you've got those details, you can start filling these details in. And billing address, this is a fake address I've got here. I would recommend that you get a PO box. You can get it a virtual PO box online. If you Google it, it should come up. So the first thing that you're going to do is go over to domains and addresses over here. Click on that. And it'll take you to this page. What you're going to do, you're going to add in your domain here and click add domain, and that should add it for you, integrate it. I've obviously used my iCloud for the sake of this video, but like I said, you're going to use your business email address, and you obviously already have that in and it would already be verified, so you would not have to do anything here. Don't worry about this subdomain, that's nothing to worry about, and then make sure that those details are there. And once you've done that, we're going to go over back to messages, and I'm going to show you how you can create a campaign. So this is a campaign that I tried yesterday. I'm going to delete that so you can have a look from the start. So how to create a campaign. I'm going to click create a campaign. Import a blank campaign. This is the option that you want to use. We're going to put on here, just for the sake of the video, test 1 2 3. Okay, and this is the option that you want on subscribe. I'm going to click that, and it's going to take you to this sequencing here. I'm going to click on send message. Actually, going to drag that over. Drag that over. So while also I was recording, it wouldn't actually let me create the sequence, but I've created that for you here. So I'm going to show you how to create an email message. So I'm going to click on send message, and create a message, and the option that you want to select is drag and drop email builder. So you're going to select that. That's going to take you to a blank template for your email, and it should look something like this. So we've got the template here: hi, first name, fixed. This is a coding, okay? I normally leave that in. So you know, for example, when you get emails and they've got hi, and then they've got your first name: hi Bob, hi Dave, hi Jazz, hi Lucy, whatever. That's basically how they do it, is by the coding. We're gonna get rid of this, okay? And on the left here, you can see you've got all these elements that you can add in. You can add in an image, a video, a button, your social handles, signature, a logo, and all that. That's obviously optional. But I'm just going to show you the bare basics that you can do so you can get started today. So I'm going to, when you become an affiliate with, for example, Legendary, Jonathan Montea, or any affiliate program, they're going to provide you with email swipes. So I've got my email swipes here ready. I'm going to go ahead and open them so we can actually have a look and how to create an email. So we're just going to simply first copy the subject line. Make sure that you always put this in, because I sometimes forget and I end up sending emails with a blank subject line. And we're going to copy the subject line, come over here and paste. That's it. That's that there. And we're going to go back over to our email swipe and copy the main body of the email like this. Copy, go back over to your blank template and paste. That is literally it. It's that simple. Anyone can do it. So how to add your link in. So in your email, you're going to have something like press here right now to see it. We're going to highlight that text, go over to here, and you can see the little link icon. Click on that, and I'm going to add in my domain. So just www.successwithjasleen.com, and that should go green. Yep. So you want to make sure that this is green, because that's obviously a real domain. And click OK. So what that does is that should change color. Yep, that's changed color. So anybody that clicks on those on that now will be taken to my domain, and they can then go ahead and purchase whatever it is that I'm offering. And you can do that throughout the email. I wouldn't recommend doing it more than 2 or 3 times, because otherwise it looks a bit spammy. But wherever it says sort of like click here, press here, watch this, or something like that, you just go ahead and pop it in there. And it's literally as easy as that. You can also preview and test here. You can enter your email address that you want it to go to. You can have a look at what it looks like. So when somebody receives my email, it should look something like this, and there's my link there. So that's that. You can put in your own personal email address there, and you can check it what it looks like on your phone or in your email. So I'm not going to do that now, but you can then go ahead and save and exit. And that should then take us back to the sequence. Now, how to do this? So whilst I was recording, it wouldn't actually allow me to. When I stopped recording, it allowed me to create the sequence. But what you normally do is just drag this over. Oh look, no, it won't let me do it. So this is the wait time, okay? The wait time is obviously the time before your next email goes out from your sequence. So you can change that here. You can add up to 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, whatever you want, and then that's basically when your next email will automatically be sent out. And then what you do, you then go ahead into the second email, create message, drag and drop email builder, and then get the second email swipe from the swipes that you have been provided, copy and paste it over, and then obviously just put your links in and everything, and that's it. So you would just then obviously you get the idea of what you're doing now. You just carry on that process for however emails that you have, and then keep adding the wait time in between each email. I wouldn't recommend more than 3 days or 2 to 3 days. 2 to 3 days is okay to add. And that's basically, you can also apply a tag. So a tag is basically when somebody's reached the bottom of your sequence, they've got all your emails, the tag will notify you, okay? The tag will notify you that so-and-so has reached the end of your sequence, and then you can just obviously reach out to them, offer any of the services you got, see if they want to continue on your list, or have a chat with them and see what they want to do next. And that's what the tag is there for. And it's literally as simple as that. So we're going to go ahead and save and exit. and then you can see you can from this here you got on the draft option, you can activate the campaign, and then that's it. It's just literally as easy that you can send out broadcast messages. What are broadcast messages? That, for example, if you've got an urgent email to send out to the whole of your list, you can use this option here. So broadcast message, drag and drop email builder, and this message will go out straight away or at a scheduled time to the whole of your email list, and it's the same process. So for example, if I've created a YouTube video today, this video, for example, I'm creating now, I'm going to send this out to all of my email list like today, and they'll get that and they can watch this tutorial or any other tutorials that I might do in the future. And it's literally as simple as that. And here you got your subscribers. Um, you can see how many subscribers you've got. Obviously this one's not gonna have this this one's gonna have 0, but normally you would have sort of like the subscribers and the statistics and everything on this page. You can also create landing pages in here. It's just opening that up. So if you don't want to sort of like, you don't have the budget for ClickFunnels, you can build your landing page in Aweber, which is a really, really good option to have. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. So that is Aweber email marketing in a nutshell. It's simple, easy, and as you can see, anyone can do it. You don't have to be a pro at it. It's very simple to use and navigate around the whole dashboard and everything. I hope you found that helpful. If you do have any questions, either drop them in the comments below or feel free to reach out to me at any of my socials. I'll drop all the handles in the description box. And if you do want to go ahead and subscribe to Aweber, use the link in my description box, and if you need any help at any point setting it up, feel free to reach out to me. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Thank you for watching.